Your skin looks tired, dull, lifeless. You've tried everything. Expensive creams, chemical treatments. Nothing works. You know what the problem is? You're never actually cleaned your skin. Most people think they're cleaning their skin with regular washing. They're not. They're just rinsing away the top layer while dirt, oil, and dead skin stay trapped deep inside. This is why your skin looks dull. This is why your products don't work. This is why you break out constantly. The real solution? A professional facial. But not the first step is JK deep cleansing. Not just washing. Deep cleansing that removes everything trapped in your pores. You need to soften your skin first. Warm water. Gentle massage. Open those pores. Then apply a gentle cleanser. Not harsh. Not stripping. Just enough to dissolve the dirt and oil without damaging your skin barrier. JK massage for 2 minutes. Really work it in. Rinse thoroughly with warm water. Then cold water to close the pores. Second step is exfoliation. But gentle exfoliation. Not scrubbing. Not damaging. Just removing the dead skin cells that make your skin look dull. Use a gentle exfoliating product. Chemical exfoliation is better than physical. It's gentler but more effective. Apply, wait 2 minutes, rinse. Your skin is now clean. Actually clean. For probably the first time in years. Third step is treatment. This is where the magic happens. Apply a treatment serum or mask. This is where your skin actually absorbs something beneficial. Not cream. Not oil. A lightweight serum that penetrates and hydrates. Leave it for 10 minutes. Let it actually work. Fourth step is protection. Apply a lightweight moisturizer. Seal everything in. Protect your skin barrier.